Hello. So, my name is Bryce Tubbs. Okay, so today's video is going to be talking about this simple mindset hack and, shift that may be limiting how much income you're making, okay? Very important. So, we're going to talk about the main thing, okay? So, okay. So, thinking big does not mean moving really fast. Okay, so I've made this mistake many times in my business career because oftentimes we say, okay, we're thinking big. So we're going to, let's say that we want to help, 10,000 people and we're going to try and make $5 to $10 million in X amount of time. Whichever one is more important to you, whether it's to make more income or to help more people, we're going to be talking about both bases, okay? So that is the goal. So now when we go about accomplishing that goal, that does not mean let's do everything we can to go hit 10,000, people helped or $10 million as quickly as possible. You see, that is where the major hangup is. What instead we should be doing is, okay, the goal is to go hit 10,000 people or $10 million. Now, how do we go and build the biggest foundation possible to allow me to sustain that? Once I get up to 10,000 or $10 million, I can actually be sustainably there and responsibly sustained. Meaning that once I hit $10 million, I'm not just going to hit it one time and then everything crumbles and I have to go basically restart from zero. Okay? So, to recap, thinking big is not the same as moving extremely fast. What are some ways that this is actually shown in real life, how people make this mistake? So let's say, for example, again, we're going to go back with the 10,000 people. You want to help 10,000 people, maybe make $10 million in X amount of time. You think, okay, cool. So the first thing I need to do is I need to go, make one or two videos and then boost those videos with ads. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and spend as much money as possible to get we'll say 1 million people to see my videos, because if 1 million people see my videos, then a certain percentage of those people are going to actually want to, come and either follow me or work with me in the future, which in itself is not flawed, but where you're going to mess up is that you don't know if the first one or two videos are highly converting or actually help people out in the way that you intended, okay? So instead, what might be a little bit better is if you maybe made 10, 20, 30 videos, you saw out of those 30 videos which ones actually provided the most value to people, and that people actually either responded to or they came on a consultation call and said, I really loved that video that you did about this topic. And now this topic is what potential clients actually want. So then you keep making videos that are along that line and along that same vein that is providing a lot of value, helping people out. And then when you get on consultation calls, they're saying, I love this topic that you're talking about. I love this thing. And now that you know how to do that, maybe you get 10, 20, 30 clients from this particular type of video content. And then once you have something that works and you actually made money, you can take that same money that you made from the clients to go and either buy advertisements or to do some of the exposure type activities that we talk about inside of my program. And then you start blowing up, okay? Now, the reason why I'm saying that you wait until you get some clients is because in order to help more people, it takes a certain amount of money for either advertising or a certain amount of money to actually get your face out there to actually help more people, okay? Because once you have something that works, once you can provide value, once you can sustainably provide value, then it becomes a matter of learning how to scale and go bigger so you can help as many people as possible, okay? If you want a little bit more information about how to actually scale and how to actually get a sustainable business and coaching business that's going to allow you to be able to help, maybe 10,000 people. If 10,000 people is a little bit high and maybe you just want to help 1,000 people out, whatever, size is not really important at this moment in time. What's really important is getting a step-by-step way for you to be able to do so. If that's what you're looking for, you have two options. The first option is for you to go join my free group called Uncapped Growth Strategies, where, as the name suggests, I'm going to give you everything that you need step by step so that you can take the cap off your growth potential and actually move towards, helping more people out. Whatever the number might be for you, whether it's 100 people you want to help, 1,000 people you want to help, 1 million people, it does not really matter. Once you know the steps, you can take it to whatever scale that you would like. The second option is I have 3 consultations open this week. So I have 3 free consultations that I want to do from people who watch videos. Okay, I want to start doing that probably every week on the videos. Open up 3 consultation calls. These are just free calls to see exactly how either I can work with you, I can help you, or we can talk about scaling your business and what is the best appropriate method. Okay? If that's what you're searching for, 2 options. Either join the group by clicking the link above, or I'm going to provide a link to my calendar so you can schedule those consultation calls. Have a great day, talk to you soon, and see you later.